I would say, hey, stop taking my pictures, or why are you even taking my pictures? No? So, and then Tulfo denies it, and with a squirm pa, yung parang inaano ba niya na, hey, you know, who, why, where, what, you know, syempre nakakainis. So she turned around, and instead of, doon, she started really getting upset with Tulfo.
Ana, nung nakita natin yung video ni Tulfo ngayon, medyo, grabe yung isang mata niya, ha?
Oh, yes.
Nakita mo ba kung sino-sinong nakasuntok sa kanya?
Yeah. So, of course, obviously, as I said, again, I'm no fan of this couple. I really didn't even know who they were until today, no? And I'm not doing it because I'm a great fan. But I'm reacting towards Tulfo's hitting a woman, okay? And as I said in my interview, even you, Mel, wouldn't you wish that if you had a husband or your companions or anybody, if someone did that to you, hit you and kicked at you, wouldn't you want them to come to your defense? And if you see, what's really sad is that nobody bothered to show the first part of the confrontation. What you see is a beaten up or being beaten up Montulfo. But can you wonder why would that reaction be? Why would those people be very angry that they really want to hit the guy so much?
Ana, ito na ang huli kong tanong sa'yo. Ana, handa ka ba na tumestigo, pabor sa mag-asawang Claudine at Raymond?
Well, more and more I see, of course, as I said, it's really sad that a lot of us who are witness to such incidents, we're afraid. And to myself, I'm afraid of the paths that I might, the wrong paths that I will cross, or the bigger people I'll be stepping on. But I'm seriously thinking about it, and tonight, in fact, I'm going to pray about it, and tomorrow I'll talk to my husband and even maybe my lawyers. But the way I see it, the poor couple is really being, kumbaga, inaapi. And Montulfo, I mean, again, I appeal to Montulfo. I said, why don't you start with an apology? You hit a woman. That's what I'm really very upset about.
Ana, maraming salamat sa iyo. At I am sure
I wish other people would come to the rescue. Be brave enough like me.
Maraming salamat sa iyo, Ana. Yung po si Ana, isa sa mga nakasaksi sa gulo kahapon sa NAIA.